Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankit and today I am going to teach you German language. In German language our topic is modal verb. Okay? So, let's start with the modal verb lessons. Modal verb expressing abilities, necessity, etc. Modal verbs modify an action or situation by expressing the idea of ability, obligation, permission, etc. Sie kann sehr gut schwimmen. She can swim very well. Wir müssen jetzt gehen. We have to go now. Hier dürfen Sie rauchen. You're allowed to smoke here. Modal verbs in German. In German, there are 6 modal verbs. Dürfen, können, mögen, müssen, sollen, wollen. Dürfen means may, to be allowed to. Können means can, to be able to. Mögen means to like, to, also used in the form of möchten. Müssen means must, to have to. Sollen means to be supposed to, should, ought to. Wollen means to want to. Okay? Meaning and most common uses dürfen, permission, prohibition, must not. Dürfen usually conveys the idea of permission and can be translated with may, can, or to be allowed to. Darf ich hier fotografieren? Am I allowed to take photos here? It often adds a sense of politeness, can be used in more formal situations. Darf ich Ihnen behilflich sein? May I help you? When used in the negative, dürfen expresses prohibition, must not, not to be allowed to. Das dürfen Sie nicht, you must not do this. Als Kind dürfte sie nie fernsehen. As a child, she was never allowed to watch TV. So, these are some examples of dürfen. So, it is conjugated like darf, dürfen, sie, nicht. Okay. Können, ability. Können corresponds to the English. Können means can or to be able to, and usually express ability. Du kannst morgen kommen. You can come tomorrow. Konnte sehr gut surfen. He could surf very well. It can sometimes add a tone of possibility as in the English may. Das kann schon wahr sein. This may be true. Yeah, it is true. This is okay. So this is a Kyonan, some example like Khan. So you can come, Khan's Konte, Khan. It's a conjugation of Kyonan. Okay. Myogan, inclination, liking. Myogan implies that people like something generally. Sie mag Italianation, wine. She likes Italian wine. Wir mögen klassische Musik. We like classical music. These are some examples. Okay. Note that Myogen can only be used in structures with nouns or noun phrases. In connection with verb structures, gen has to be used. Sie trinkt gern italienischen Wein. Wir hören gern klassische Musik. Myogen. Myogen is frequently used in its subjunctive form möchten would like. Yeah, Myogen is like, and this is would like. Ich möchte einen Cappuccino. I would like to like a cappuccino. Was möchtest du machen? What would you like to do? Okay. So, these are the two example of this. And möchten means would like, and Myogen means like. Müssen necessity obligation necessity obligation müssen usually express a sense of necessity or obligation and corresponds to the English must or to have to. Wir müssen jetzt gehen. We must have to go now. Sie muss das Projekt bis Anfang September fertig haben. She must has to finish the project by the beginning of September. Okay, so these are the some example of müssen. Müssen is must, or it is used for must and to have to. In the negative, müssen does not convey the meaning of prohibition as it does in English, but means don't have to or don't need to. Ihr müsst jetzt noch nicht gehen. You don't have to, don't need to go now. Du musst dir keine Sorgen machen. You don't have to, don't need to worry. Note that in these contexts, brauchen is often used as an alternative. Ihr braucht jetzt noch nicht zu gehen. You don't need to, have to go now. Sollen obligation command. Sollen is mainly used to convey a sense of obligation and corresponds to the English be supposed to, should. Peter soll fetamer essen. Peter is supposed to eat less fat. Peter is supposed to eat less fat. Peter soll fetamer essen. Peter is supposed to eat less fat. Okay. It is also used with suggestions or commands. Sollen wir mit dem Auto fahren? Should we go by car? Du sollst dich schämen. You should be ashamed of yourself. Sollen can also convey a sense of uncertainty when making a prediction or when reporting what you have heard from another source. Okay. Wollen intention desire. Wollen usually express an intention or desire and corresponds to the English to want to. Ich will mit dem Rauchen aufhören. I want to stop smoking. So I want to stop smoking. Gaby will wandern. Gaby wants to emigrate. Ich will mit dem Rauchen aufhören. I want to stop smoking. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you so much.